Hi, I'm Asis. I take care of marketing and communication here for Fuji Electric. So in this exhibition, we are bringing our solutions for factory process and plant automation. And you can see at our stall, we have kept drive from the smaller range to the higher end. We also have our HVAC solutions, as this event is specifically for more on energy efficiency sort of, where the company is showing their solutions they have for the energy efficiency. So we have entire solutions here, from the PLC to the HMI to pressure transmitter, gas analyzer, which generally goes for improving the plant operation as efficiency. So this is what we have at CII Energy Efficiency Summit. This is for almost 3 days, starting from today, and it is going to held at up to 18th. 18th is the final day. Here we have multiple session is happening on plant energy efficiency, as well as for the different sugar and other heavy industrial applications being discussed here. Yeah, thank you so much.